Okay, so I have a clip in this timeline and the timeline is set to 24 frames per second, but I want to change this because the clip is actually a different frame rate. So how I would go about doing this is I need to go to the top right hand corner of Davinci and then click on New Timeline. Then you can select the name. I'll just leave it like that as timeline 2, and then as you can see it says use project settings. I'll uncheck that, and this is slightly different compared to DaVinci Resolve 16. And then you want to click on format, and here you can see it says timeline frame rate. I'm going to select this and select 30 frames per second, and then I'm going to click on create. But you can see now the clip has been deleted because I'm on a new timeline. So all you need to do is go to the top of this project space here where it says timeline 2, click on that drop down, go back to timeline 1, and there you can see my clip. What I'm going to do is click on my clip and then right click and then copy the clip, then go back to timeline 2, and then I'm going to paste it in here. And if I just play this now, you can see at the top there it says 30 frames per second, which is the frame rate that I set for the new timeline. Double checking this, we can go to the deliver tab and you'll see the frame rate is also 30 frames per second. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe for more video editing tutorials.